everyone, and welcome! Does the very thought of your workspace bring a frown to your face? I believe that a calm and organized environment has a profound impact on our well-being and productivity. In this video, we will embark on a journey to transform your workspace into a haven of productivity, using simple yet powerful techniques. Are you ready to experience the transformative power of tidying? Let's begin! Our journey begins with a common source of frustration, the tangled web of cables and chargers. But fear not, for even these unruly items can be brought into harmony. Take a moment to gather all your cables and chargers. Ask yourself, does this spark joy? If not, perhaps it's time to bid it farewell. For the cables that remain, we will create a home where they can rest peacefully when not in use. Cable organizers are wonderful allies in our quest for order. Choose organizers that spark joy for you, perhaps ones made from natural materials or in calming colors. Consider labeling each cable with washi tape. This makes it easier to find what you need and can be a mindful practice. Now let's turn our attention to the surface of your desk. Is it a place where inspiration flows freely, or is it cluttered with items that no longer serve you? Let's create personalized organizers that are both functional and visually appealing. Empty jars become cozy homes for pens and pencils, and shoeboxes provide discreet storage for important documents. Let your creativity flow. This process is about more than just organization. It's about infusing your workspace with your unique personality. In today's fast-paced world, distractions lurk around every corner. But within your workspace, you have the power to create a haven of calm. The first step is to identify your biggest distractions. Is it the constant ping of notifications, the lure of social media, or perhaps the clutter on your desk itself? For digital distractions, consider setting aside specific times to check emails and social media. Designate a special box or drawer for your phone during work hours. Silence your notifications and allow yourself to be fully present in the task at hand. Each time you resist the urge to check your phone, you are strengthening your focus muscle and creating space for true productivity to blossom. A light is energy, and the right lighting can make all the difference in your workspace. If possible, position your desk near a window and allow the sun's rays to bathe your workspace in warmth and vitality. For evenings or days when natural light is scarce, invest in a desk lamp with adjustable brightness. Choose a warm, inviting light that mimics the glow of the setting sun. Pay attention to how different lighting affects your mood and energy levels. You may find that a brighter light enhances focus, while a softer light promotes relaxation and creativity. Finally, let's talk about ergonomics, the art of designing a workspace that supports your body and promotes well-being. Adjust your chair so that your feet are flat on the floor and your back is straight. Your elbows should be bent at a 90-degree angle, and your wrists should be straight as you type. Position your monitor directly in front of you, about an arm's length away, with the top of the screen at eye level. This will help prevent neck strain and headaches. If you use a laptop, consider investing in an external keyboard and mouse to achieve a more ergonomic setup. By creating a comfortable and supportive workspace, you are honoring your body's needs and setting yourself up for success in all areas of your life. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards creating a workspace that sparks joy and ignites your productivity. Take a moment to admire your transformed workspace. Feel the sense of calm and order washing over you. This is your sanctuary, a place where you can focus, create, and achieve your goals. Now go forth and conquer your day. If you found these tips helpful, please share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content. See you in the next video.